Imagine this, you're sitting on your couch enjoying a relaxing evening. Suddenly, your phone rings. It's a call from an important client. You answer, but the connection is terrible. The audio is muffled, and there's a constant echo in the background. Frustrated, you think to yourself, wouldn't it be great if I could just use my home phone for this? Well, the good news is you can. In today's video, we're going to explore the world of Ooma and see if it's the right solution for your cell phone woes. What is Ooma? Ooma is a popular VoIP, voice over internet protocol, service that allows you to make and receive phone calls using your internet connection instead of a traditional landline. It's a great option for those looking to cut costs on their phone bills or who need a reliable phone service for their home or business. Can you use a cell phone with Ooma? The short answer is yes, you can use a cell phone with Ooma. However, there are a few different ways to do it, and each method has its own pros and cons. Method 1. Ooma mobile app. One of the easiest ways to use a cell phone with Ooma is to download the Ooma mobile app. This app allows you to make and receive calls using your Ooma number directly on your smartphone. It's a convenient option for those who want to keep their Ooma number with them wherever they go. Pros of using the Ooma mobile app. Portability. You can take your Ooma number with you wherever you go. Convenience. It's easy to make and receive calls using the app. Cons of using the Ooma mobile app. Data usage. Using the app can consume data, especially if you're making or receiving calls over cellular data. Limited features. The app may not have all the features of a traditional landline phone. Method 2. Ooma Teleport. Another option for using a cell phone with Ooma is to use Ooma Teleport. This feature allows you to forward calls from your Ooma number to your cell phone. It's a great option for those who want to keep their Ooma number but also want to be able to answer calls on their cell phone. Pros of using Ooma Teleport. Flexibility. You can choose when to forward calls to your cell phone. Convenience. It's easy to set up and use. Cons of using Ooma Teleport. Cost. You may incur additional charges for forwarding calls to your cell phone. Limited features. You may not have access to all the features of your Ooma landline phone. Method 3. Ooma Mobile Companion. If you have an Ooma Telo device, you can also use Ooma Mobile Companion. This feature allows you to connect your cell phone to your Ooma landline using Bluetooth. This way, you can make and receive calls using your cell phone's speakerphone or headset. Pros of using Ooma Mobile Companion. Hands-free calling. You can make and receive calls using your cell phone's speakerphone or headset. Clear audio quality. The audio quality is generally better than using the Ooma mobile app. Cons of using Ooma Mobile Companion. Limited range. The Bluetooth connection has a limited range. Requires Ooma Telo device. You need to have an Ooma Telo device to use this feature. Which method is right for you? The best method for using a cell phone with Ooma depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you want to be able to take your Ooma number with you wherever you go, the Ooma mobile app may be the best option. If you want to keep your Ooma number but also be able to answer calls on your cell phone, Ooma Teleport may be a good choice. And if you have an Ooma Telo device and want to use your cell phone as a hands-free extension, Ooma Mobile Companion may be the way to go. Additional considerations. Data usage. If you're using the Ooma mobile app or Ooma Teleport over cellular data, be mindful of your data usage. You may want to consider a data plan that offers unlimited data or a data cap that is high enough for your needs. Cost. Depending on your usage, you may incur additional charges for using Ooma with your cell phone. Be sure to review your Ooma plan and any applicable fees before making a decision. Compatibility. Ensure that your cell phone is compatible with Ooma. Most modern smartphones should be compatible, but it's always a good idea to check with your carrier or Ooma customer support. As you can see, there are several ways to use a cell phone with Ooma. Whether you're looking for portability, flexibility, or hands-free calling, there's an option that's right for you. By using Ooma with your cell phone, you can enjoy the benefits of a reliable home phone service while also having the flexibility to answer calls on your mobile device. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.